Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Android faster. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Press on About Phone. Now go to Software Information. Press on Build Number until you unlock your developer mode. Now go back. Press on Developer Options. Search for Developer option. Now here you have to search for Window Animation Skill. Scroll down. Here it is. Now click on Window Animation Scale. You have to select here Animation Scale 0.5x. Then go to Transition Animation Scale. Select here Animation Scale 0.5x. Now go to Animator Duration Scale. Select here Animation Scale 0.5x. That's it. So this is how to make your Android faster. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.